Good morning class. Today we'll do the doubts of exercise 2.4 and here is the only one doubt which you asked me to do is 5 question. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.5 and width is 3.4. In this area of rectangle you should know the area of rectangle formula is L into B. Simple. Then you have to do multiplication between 5.5 into 3.4. If you will do the multiplication and suppose your answer is coming 2 3 4, so you will see that in both the numbers length and width there is a decimal before one digit only. So I will count this one digit and this one digit, it becomes 2, so I'll place my point here. This is not the right answer. I'm just telling you to suppose if this is the answer, so how you will place the point in your answer. Simply area of rectangle, this is the formula and this is the multiplication you have to do between length and width, and whatever the answer is coming you have to place the points according to this. Thank you. Now we'll do the exercise 2.5 from page number 44. This is the first question, which is very simple because you can see that all the numbers are having the decimals and it is dividing by 10 only. And in second question you can see it all numbers having decimals with having the division with 100. In this simply you have to jump on the next number with the according zeros. You can see this is 10, so this number will give you one more jump from this and it will be placed here, your decimal will be, so the answer will be 11.220 in this you can see there is no decimal at all, so you will jump with this only one digit, it will be here and your answer will be 174.3 because it's having one digit only and there is no decimal, so we have to put the decimal here. In this you can see that it is given 10 divided by this, so this will also jump on the next number, so this will come here and how you will write it, 0.034. Why we are jumping only one digit? Because the 0 is only 1, so we can jump only one digit. Now you can see this second question, in this it's given you 100 divided by 100 and it's already with the 2 digits in the decimal. Then again you have to jump on 2 digits because it's 100 and 2 zeros are there, so I'll jump here and the answer will be 0.8851. In this you can see again this is again 2 zeros, so 2 digits will be jump here and the answer will be 3.5415. like this you have to do this 2 questions. Now we have to do the third question. It is also very simple. The only thing in this you have to do is write these numbers first in the division form, 0024 and then it is 0.04. so you can count there are 2 zeros here, 2 digits are here before the decimal, after the decimal, so I'll make here 100 and this decimal will be removed, and here are the 4 digits before the decimal, after the decimal, so you will write here multiply and 4 zeros with this, and now you can see this will become only 24 upon 4 and this 100 and this will be 10,000. You can divide simply this and whatever the answer will come, it will come here after divide is 6, and now you can cut the zeros with the zeros and this is 100 left here, so you count this 2 zeros and this will be 1 digit and 1 zero done. Then with this is also left, so we will place this 0 here, so this will be 0.06. Again I'm telling you what you have to do, that count the numbers, that how many numbers are there after the decimal and write that below with the zeros, and here also count the numbers which are after the decimal, count that numbers and write it up because we do the opposite in this, and then cut the zeros, whatever zeros you can cut by zeros only, divide this simply and whatever the answer will come according to the remaining zeros you have to place the point here. In this third and fourth question you have to do only this. Then fifth question is evaluate the following up to 3 decimal places. This is also the same procedure, you have to do the division in this with this. And then sixth is very easy, you have done this division many times, and this is also like this, but remember it's having 2 zeros already with this, and here 1 0 and here is 2 zeros. If you will remove like this 8, remove this 2 digits here, this will be 400. So what you have to do, you have to place 2 zeros here with this, and then you can solve it. This 0 can be divided by this 0 and divided simply by 2's table, and whatever the number will be coming in the answer, you have to count the zeros and place the pointer. Thank you.